2023 Cadillac XT5. With less than 22,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.